I'm Big Kid.
I'm Bee.
I'm Phoebe.
And welcome to the Beehive.
Today we are going to play Who Am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Jean Valjean.
32605.
24601. Is that your phone number?
No. Today we are going to play Who Am I?
To play Who Am I, we are going.
Today we're gonna need a box.
Oh.
In the box we have post-it notes and pens.
In the box. Did that hurt?
Ow! My nose! Guys, I have a GoFundMe for my nose that's broken. Venmo me!
Do you have a mole on your hand? You know they say people have moles on their hands.
You're gonna make a lot of money.
No. These are...
Klepto?
That's callous.
Yeah, that means you're gonna have a lot of money.
Yeah, kleptomaniacs.
No, but
Can I
no. It means that money's gonna come to them super easy.
Can I see the
Oh,
one on your foot?
yeah, I'm your
Can I see
favorite
the one on your
sister.
foot? I was dang, I didn't know you were that flexible. Jesus.
Okay, how do you play How Am I?
Step 1. Oh my.
How are you?
How do you play Who Am I?
Okay, each one of us are gonna get a sticky note and we're gonna put somebody or a character, a celebrity, someone
Has to
we
be a
know.
person?
Oh,
Yeah,
who am
a
I
person.
getting?
Oh.
Example.
And once we put somebody's name on the sticky note, we will place it on somebody's forehead.
Like this!
Each person will try to guess oh my god, who it is on their forehead by us taking turns asking questions that will help us figure out who is on our forehead. Who we are. Who am I? First one to guess who they are.
We'll get chips.
Wait, what chips?
Whoever wins doesn't have to edit. I gotta win. I need a flat surface.
Oh.
Did I spell it right?
I'm so red.
Did you put tape
It's
on
an
it?
easy
I
one.
didn't
Bye.
see yours. I'm glad.
Okay.
Pikachu!
You're funny.
What's that?
I don't know who that is, but.
Do you know the tape? It's like...
Eva, you go first. Am I a woman?
Yes. There.
Am I female?
Yes.
Am I male?
No. Am I a male?
Yes.
Woohoo.
Am I a real person, like live?
No.
No.
Am I fictional?
No.
No.
Am I from Disney?
No.
Am I from Disney? Like fiction character?
No.
No.
Wait, which one do you want us to answer?
Okay.
Oh.
Am I a fiction character?
No.
Not from Disney neither.
One question at a time.
My turn?
Yes.
Am I in Disney?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I in politics?
No.
Mm-mm.
Am I real?
No.
Mm-mm.
I'm a real person. I'm a male. Am I over 50?
Yes.
Yes, girl.
I'm over 50?
Have we watched this character recently?
No.
Male.
Huh?
Real.
Huh?
Not in politics. Oh yeah, I'm female. Am I in the entertainment industry?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I a cartoon character?
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Really? How?
Define cartoon.
Cartoon as in like animated and like hand drawn.
Mm-hmm. Animated? No, I guess. But has been hand drawn.
So you the answer.
Stop! Stop answering her question.
You gave her more information, by the way.
Okay, fine. Am I white?
Yes.
What if we're wrong?
Did they make a live action movie of this?
A movie live action? No. A movie?
Yes, like a
Yes,
movie.
but no.
You know, like,
Yes,
I think a li-
Am I in YouTube?
No.
Yes.
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 On YouTube?
Your question is if you're in YouTube.
No,
YouTube.
that's what I
Everything's on
mean,
YouTube.
YouTuber.
Oh, if you're
No.
a YouTuber.
Not a YouTuber.
No.
No. Am I from a series?
Mm.
Angela says yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Why did you?
Why did you have a hard time?
Right, girl.
Am I in politics?
Yeah.
That's a tricky question. Yes. It's so hard. Hers
Sorry, I
is so
don't know.
hard. I feel bad. Hers is the easiest.
Mine.
Like I hold an office in politics. Like the government is paying me for holding my role. Like I'm like a governor or a mayor or
Yes.
a...
Yes.
The government is paying you for your role.
Yes.
No. Like I am actually like in the judicial branch. Like I'm in like a branch. Am I a politician that actually like goes out and have like people have to vote for me to be in the position that I am in?
No.
No.
Huh?
Is my Disney character a person of color?
No. No.
Well.
No.
What does that mean?
No.
Don't look.
Can y'all
Okay,
tell
go.
me?
I am a guy.
Shut up. Am I on TV?
Yes.
I don't know what TV means.
Yes.
What TV?
Have you been
like
on
TV
TVs or
shows
movies?
or
Like movies and
Yes.
TV
Yes.
shows.
I'm a male. Has been a cartoon character. Wait, female. Can I be watched in Hulu?
I don't think so.
No.
What's the name of the movie?
Yeah.
Shh, don't talk. I'm a male. I don't get voted for office. I am white. I am over 50 and I'm non-fiction. Have I ran for president?
No.
Ah!
She asked if she's an animal.
Yes.
In general,
No.
character, not me.
Yes.
I'm an
You
animal.
are an animal
Yeah.
and you are an animal.
Then I would know.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. That's an animal.
Stop, boy.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're an animal. Am I an actress?
Dang, what?
Yes. So many.
What is am I?
Have you seen this character this week?
No.
Am I famous for my movies?
No.
No.
Oh my goodness. Am I like a main character?
Yes.
God, I might know who this is.
Am I white?
Yeah. Yes.
You're half. Oh, that's not. But no. Yes, you're still white.
Goya appears
yes.
as a non-cartoon character.
Yes.
This is so hard.
Am I known for my food?
No.
I was thinking about
That'd be
Colonel
so
Sanders.
funny.
Is my movie set in like giant places?
I mean,
You
technically.
can say
yes.
yes or no.
I can
Yes.
say yes.
I'll say no.
I'll say yes.
I'll say no.
I say no.
Why do you say no? Can you tell me why?
I know that.
I don't think it's dry. Just listen to us. Anyway, my turn.
I think it could be dry.
Am I in
Like
any
no, girl.
Am I in any Marvel movies?
No.
Am I
Really?
Marvel?
No, mine? Why would you do that?
No. I'm saying you guys.
Well, you're not
you
answering my
guys.
question.
You guys, because I feel like you guys aren't.
I never
Am I in Marvel?
No.
No. Non-fiction, over 50.
You should ask what country you're from.
Oh my gosh, Angela.
Am I living?
Oh,
No.
you're over 50.
You think people just die once
I
they
just
turn
think that,
51?
I don't think she knows who it is.
When I saw-
I don't think so.
Do I have a best friend that's also an animal?
Yeah.
Like every Disney
It's
character.
like, yeah, it's every Disney character. Mulan's Mushu.
Shh, don't say anything.
Don't hear anything.
Simba's Nyla.
Nyla! Nala!
You should keep asking about the franchise.
Am I in DC?
No.
Dang it!
Am I a superhero?
Yes.
Kind of.
Yeah, not kind of.
I'll say
technically.
yes.
What the hell? What
Kind
are you
of.
talking
Yeah,
about?
it is kind of.
No.
No, you guys are lying.
No, it is kind of.
It
Just
is
say
kind of-
yes.
They're not. Oh, sorry. Just yes.
Yes,
Kind of.
you are a
It's yes.
superhero.
You're basically.
Yes.
Angela, is it
Say
kind
yes.
of or yes?
Yes.
I am dead, guys.
Is that your question?
I should have asked that. Okay.
Are you thinking out loud?
She thinks she's Alexander Hamilton.
Girl, Alexander
Joey,
Hamilton
Joey.
was in office. Come on, Joey.
Am I American?
No.
You're not American.
What?
Go.
If If I'm
Do I have colored hair?
All
colored
colors
hair?
are colors, so
No,
yes, just
no.
say yes. Just yes. Just yes.
Black is color, and I have an animal, a fish animal, a friend. Right?
Did you say that? What is it? No, Martin Luther King is black.
You're white, girl.
Yes, and it's also American.
Oh my God! I know who I am.
Okay,
She probably
not
doesn't
your
know.
Oh.
turn.
Am I in Hamilton?
No.
No, no. Am I in DC?
No.
You guys said I'm a superhero.
Am
not.
I
Superhero.
royalty?
No.
No.
Definitely not.
I'm so confused why I got fishies in my thing. Fishies everywhere. Oh, you are evil! Does Sophia have one of these costumes?
Yes.
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 I want to be where the people are.
Am I in action movies?
Yes.
She is.
Can I be watched in Netflix?
Yes.
Yes, girl.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Ow!
She's getting excited.
Do you know what a continent is?
Did they make a movie out of me?
Yes.
Yes. I want to be where the people
Is that
are.
your question?
No!
Oh. So ready for you to lose.
Just ask yours. Just ask yours.
Just do it.
Do it.
If you ask
If
it,
you
it's
ask
wrong,
and
you're
if
out.
it's correct, then you win. If you ask and it's wrong, then you lose.
Just ask it. Just
Why
ask
you got fishies on it? Oh!
Yeah.
Red fishies. Oh my god! Am I Ariel?
That's your question?
Please give me a clue.
Evie, if that's not right, then it tells your information.
Must have loved me.
Me? Go to Paris?
Ah,
Send me a song.
I'll take it for St. Petersburg, please.
Do I sing?
Yes, you do
Yes.
sing.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And I does
So
sing.
that's your first question.
She does sing
music.
lyrics. Can I be watched on Netflix?
No.
You pay a pretty high fine.
Am I
No.
from Umbrella Academy?
Yes.
Yes.
That's so specific.
How did you know that?
Superpowers. Not DC, not Marvel. In Netflix.
Did I die because someone killed me?
Yes.
Yes.
You
Yes.
died because someone killed you.
Does my dad get mad every time I want to go meet humans?
The
Does
dad gets
get
mad
mad.
when
She talks to other
She.
humans. Yes.
Is Ariel? Is Ariel?
Is that your second question?
You
You can't
spit,
ask a
yo.
second question.
Can you watch me on Disney Plus?
yes.
Yes.
Am I a person of color?
No.
Yes, you are a person of color.
I heard a rumor.
That you were.
I'm a white, I'm 50, I'm dead, I'm not known for my food, I'm not known for anything. I am not from America.
Obviously, we said that.
Am I a colonizer?
No.
No.
Am I a princess under the sea?
Yes.
Yes.
Hamilton is on Disney, but you guys already said I'm not from Hamilton.
Big word.
Am I from Aladdin?
Yes.
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 Pretty guy. I am pretty.
I heard a rumor. Am I Allison?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, technically, by the way, we won this game.
Did it?
Why?
Why?
You remember the game was still going.
She
won.
No, she won.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
everybody
but
else needs to guess.
Did you look at it?
Yes.
She about to say no. She's about to say no.
I don't even know who the person is.
You know,
You act like you don't know.
you were just singing.
You're singing
a sign.
anything.
So you're the only person who didn't get
You guys
yours.
didn't even
Naomi
know.
Scott.
You guys didn't
Yes.
even
Naomi G.
know.
Scott.
You guys didn't even know this person.
Yes, we
Yes,
do.
we did. You'll like.
Yeah, we lost.
And ADHbees editing the video.
Yes.
I'll
Bye!
I'll
You're fine. I'm editing the
Just call
video,
me.
so I'm gonna cut out all your faces.
I mean, we're all.
You should have said yes. He is in the movie.
Why were you this confusing?
He is in the movie.
We said.
She's bitter because she was singing it earlier. She was singing Anastasia earlier. She didn't get why we were laughing so hard.
She even said this.
You'll be. Why did you put fishies there? Ooh, fishies.
Okay, that's it for the game.
I don't know.
Bye.